Welcome back to the CryptoLabs YouTube channel. Sunday. Sunday, I like to have a bit of a conversation. Bit of a Sunday sermon, we're calling these. Not that I am a pastor or preacher, and I have no religious affiliation, although I do attend different churches. I think all of that is human way of trying to communicate something that can't be communicated with words. It must be felt. And so today, I want to talk about something I've been meditating on for pretty much all week, really checking myself, looking in the mirror. And, as a high performer, as someone who really loves to achieve things and new challenges, and you probably relate to this at some level, there's always the next level. You're never there. How boring would that be? Life is a playground. It's meant to, experiment new challenges, failures, and wins, and feel all the feels and do all the things. And I've been meditating on this one thing of, wherever you go, there you are. Wherever you go, there you are. I spent so much of my life blaming other people or circumstances or governments or things outside of me. And on the flip side of that, I've spent so much of my life chasing things because I thought that external thing would fill or fix something inside me. And that only works for so long. You can chase the money or the DeFi yields or the big crypto pumps or the cars or the supercars or the bank accounts or the businesses or the whatever. The body, even the body, getting in ripped shape or whatever. And I know we all understand this intellectually, but at some point you feel it is like, wow, nothing outside of me will fix what's in me. And wherever you go, there you are. Your problems follow you. And so I have a really simple rule. Something pops up in my life, I learn the lesson as quick as I can. If it pops up twice, I cannot blame it on a circumstance. Wherever I go, there I am. And I have to look in the mirror and say, how am I bringing this into my life? Why does this pattern repeat itself? That can be true, and relationships are great mirrors. But that can be true for a bank account. These kind of videos get the least amount of views because everyone wants to know, how do I get rich? What's the yield? How do I do this? How do I do that? But wherever you go, there you are. If you've tried other opportunities and they didn't work, wherever you go, there you are. If your bank account has been looking the same for 3 years or 2 years or 6 months, wherever you go, there you are. It's a harsh truth and a reality that people don't want to face. We want more of the how. How do I do it? Lucas, tell me exactly the yield. Tell me the pool. Tell me the platform. Tell me the token or the coin or the opportunity. Happy to. I do it all the time. But why do most people, even armed with the right information, still yield the same result? Wherever you go, there you are. And it's an uncomfortable truth that at some point, we need to look in the mirror and say, okay, I take responsibility for that. I'll go fix that. And I talk to people who refuse to accept this. Oh no, I'm good. You're not. Because I learned early on when I started modeling success and tried to get around successful people, truly successful people, holistically, they would never admit that. Wherever I go, there I am. They're quick to catch the patterns. They're extremely humble. Their confidence and their external, how they show up may, tell a different story, but like internally, I am a student. I just signed up for another program. I'm 10 minutes before the call. I'm taking notes. If I catch myself saying, oh, I already know that, I'm like, whoa, Lucas, pump the brakes. What can you still learn in that lesson? Because there's something to learn. Wherever you go, there you are. Let's make a commitment. If you're part of the UIG on Monday, we have a guest coming in for a Monday mindset call. Every Monday, we kind of start the week off with a bit of a mindset reset, get clear on our vision and our goals. We have a really special guest coming in to help co-host this Monday mindset call with me, which I'm super pumped for. But if you're not part of the UIG, or if you don't join that call for whatever reason, what's one thing we can change? What's one thing we know we need to change? I'll hold you accountable. Leave it in the comments. What's one thing you know you need to change? Last week, that was a lot around fitness and eating habits. And it was like, hey, you know what? I know I can do better in this. There was a lot of stuff around money, spending, unconscious spending, or spending to heal or to try to fix something outside of ourselves. when I make a purchase like this car or the Rolex, or I'm actually looking at a new purchase, but I always ask myself, am I trying to fix something internally by an external band-aid? And if the answer is yes, I don't get the damn thing, because it's not going to fix it. I want to buy things for the right reasons, and I don't care what that is. Whatever kind of investment that is, it's got to be for the right reasons. I just have a rule. Wherever you go, there you are. What patterns are showing up that we know we need to change? Now, not later, now. We make the commitment, and then we exercise the discipline on a daily basis to just simply not do it anymore, or simply to do more of that thing that you know you need to do. And it's not easy, but after 30 days, it gets easy. Every new discipline, the first 30 days is difficult. I'm cheering for you. I'm cheering you so fucking hard. Like, I want you to win in all areas of life. Even if you never pay me a dime, I want you to win. I want you to feel that. Let's win. Let's win. And then I believe that by winning, you are in your purpose, because other people will see you and they say, oh my God, people know me back from the trailer park days. People know me back from the skateboarding and, trying to get $10 together to put some gas in the tank. People know me from riding my bicycle to go get groceries because I literally didn't know how I was going to pay rent that month. People know me from them. And now when they see me, they hit me up saying, if you can do it, I can do it. Because oftentimes we see someone who we don't know and they're like, oh, that must be nice. But if you can do it, if you can get out of that whatever situation you're in, or whatever habit or whatever addictions, and get into a life that is a testament to your creator, to God, to Mother Nature, to the universe, you are doing you and everyone else around you a massive favor. You're in your purpose, because other people will see you and say, damn, they can do it. I can do it too. You will be lifting people up, not by talking. These words are very limited, but by actually doing, by leading the path, by showing up. There will always be people who judge you and hate on you. When you're in the arena, you should see my inbox sometimes. Just people write very long emails with their piece to say. And I'm like, dude, I don't even read this stuff, but thank you. But if you can affect a few lives, even a few lives, man, what a legacy you leave behind. All right, that's my time. I will leave some videos here and here and here and here for your viewing pleasures. Do check them out. Study this stuff, whether it's the mindset stuff, whether it's the spiritual stuff, or whether it's the actual financial stuff. I do think by becoming financially free, it opens up opportunities to do more good. And if you're a good person, you'll just naturally do more good. Cheering for you. Check out the videos, like and subscribe to the channel. With that said, have an awesome Sunday, and I'll see you on Monday. If you're in the UIG, show up to those Monday calls. Show up to those Monday calls. Promise you. The UIG extends far beyond finance, and we have to work on the internal, and those Monday calls are just bit resets. Trust me on it. Just show up. See what happens. We got a guest this week. With that said, I'm going to get out of here. Appreciate you. Peace.